Need to create a shareable link for your photos? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using Google Chrome. So step 1. Open photos.google.com. So friend, here you can see that this is my dashboard, and here I'm going to upload one photo. One important thing here I am talking to you. Here you must logged in with your Gmail account, so you will see this dashboard. Okay, so you must create your Gmail account, and after that you logged in with this photos.google.com and you will see this dashboard. Okay, now the second option, what you will do, here we are going to upload the photo. You simply click on this plus icon, and here you will see this album. Here you can create your album and import photo, and here the more option you will get the many things. Okay, so what I will do, simply click on this album, and here I'm going to add title, my images. Okay, and here simply click on this add photos. You simply click on this select from computer, and here you will see these are the images. Okay, so we want to upload this image first. Here we select the image and then click on open. So friend, here you will see that my image is uploaded into this album. Okay, now we want to create a shareable link. Okay, we simply click the done button. Here we are going to move back and click on this album, and now you can see this is my image. Okay, you simply select that image, and friend, here you will see on right hand top this shareable option. You simply click on it, and friend, here this will ask you to add email ID, number or name. You can search and directly you can send this image URL. Okay, and second option you can see over here, create link. You simply click on it, and here you will get one button. Simply click on it and it will create a link. Okay, you simply copy and you can send this URL to your friend or colleague. Okay, so let's see how it will look. So here we are going to open private mode, ignore mode, and here we are going to paste that link and enter. So friend, here you can see that this image is showing. So friend, by this way you can easily create the shareable link of photos. You can share this image to your colleague. That's it. You have successfully created a photo link in your Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more simple tech tutorials. So stay tuned.